Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will start another new topic, that is the table creation in HTML file. So first I will show you the table. Suppose I have created. So this is the one table and I want to design like this because K will be display inside, then KU next row, then KUM, then KUMA, KUM. So if you want to make this type of design, so you have to choose or digits means character, so that it will be in the middle of there is one character should be stored, and both side equal character will be stored. So that is called what? That is this type of table I want to create. Okay. So everyone asking how to create this table. So I'll be now show you how to create this table. First, I'll be open this in edit mode so that you see. Okay. This is a table. So in table, first will be how to create first two rows. Okay. In this table, I'll show you how to first create these two rows. So to create these two rows, what we'll do, I'll be first select, okay, and tell you how to create this row. Okay, so copy, and here I'll be paste. Control V. So remember one thing, there is a col span and row span. There is a two concept in the table creation. Okay, col span and row span. You remember, suppose in between, suppose here, I will be again cut one row. Okay. This row, suppose I have cut. Okay. So what will happen? I will tell you. Suppose this is the another row. First, will be consider this row. Okay. So here I will be again select this. Okay, and take. You remember in this. Okay. So actually, this is our actual row. Okay, this is our actual row. I want to tell you, actually this is our actual row. Okay, this is our actual row. So what we will do, I will be partition it. Okay, yes, I will be make it partition. Okay, I will make it partition. You just see. Okay. So I'll be take the help of the color. Okay. Okay, I'll take the help of the color. So I'll take this black color. You remember? Okay. So but actually my original table is this. Okay, I want to tell you. My original table is this. Okay, this is my original table. Okay, so and K is stored inside. So now what we'll do, not to make this type of a table, what we'll do, I'll be do it partition. Okay, you see, suppose I'll be do it partition. Okay, and this type we will partition. Okay, that means this is the one partition. Then same here. Okay, so here is the also, okay, another row. What will do, I'll be again make it partition. That means each row, each cell I'll be again divided. So you see, between K and U there is 2. Okay, between K and U, you can make another partition. Okay, in K. Then same also between these two, K, between this cell and this cell will be make it partition. Okay. The same as also here this cell and this cell will be make also one partition. So remember, you will be make this type of partition. Okay. So what will happen when you do this type of, then actually previously we have how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your table will be divided into 7 columns. 1, okay, 2, sorry, 10 columns. 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So whenever then you remember how to you will write the K. So K you will be make, okay, the K is a combination of 2 columns. So here we will be write, okay, in the first row, okay, in the first row what will write? The first row, okay, you will be write what? Na call span, because K column contains 2 rows, 2 columns. So call span 2, okay, TH call span 2, you can write TH, okay, TH call span 2, okay, you will be write equal to 2, then here you can write the K. Okay, so that means this K is consist of, okay, that means this K, okay, this K is consist of, okay, these 2 columns. But okay, these 2 columns is K. Then next time what will happen? Next time, okay, it will be next time it is the TH. This is the first TH. You remember this is the first TH. This is the second TH, and this is also third TH. This is also fourth TH, and this is also fifth. This is also sixth. That means by combine of fifth and sixth, we will be store the K. Like this, we will be make the table. So same as also it is also TH. It is also, okay. It is, you remember this is also TH. This is also TH. Okay, this is also what? Not TH call span 2. That means K. Then TH call span 2 U. Then after you will write, okay, one TH, another TH, and another TH. So this will be make third, second column carry. Third column what will start? Same first column will be copied to the third column. What will do? This is also TH. This is another TH, and then you will be make TH call span 2. Okay, then it is also TH call. So table, right, border equal to 1. So it will be, I will not waste your time, so I will be making simple table. Okay, my purpose is to design that table. So that is T here, you understand here. Okay, you will understand here. Okay, will be make how many call span, table heading 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as also here also 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. Then in this TH call span 2, is right? This type 4, this type 4. Okay, both sides will make the 4. We will write TH, 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 right? TH call span is equal to 2. Okay, then is also to, suppose here K, then TH, TH 2, TH 3, TH 4, then we close the TH. Okay, so then here we can close the table border. Okay, then close the body, then close the HTML. You see here I will save this. Okay, HTML folder. Okay, suppose table dot HTML. Okay. Then I will be run this program. Have you seen this type? So I'll make what I'll do, width 100% I'll write. Suppose here width is equal to 100%. I'll make a refresh. Okay, have you seen? This is a TH, this is a TH, this is a TH, this is TH constant 2. Next row I'll get. Next what will happen? Now this row will be divided. Okay. Next row I'll show here. Next what will happen? Now this is a TH, TH, 2 TH, 3 TH. Here also another side 1, 2, 3 TH. Then this is also TH constant 2, TH constant 2. Okay, then 3 TH will write. Okay, see here. We'll write TH, 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 TH. Okay, you'll write TH call span is equal to 2 K, then TH call span is equal to 2 U. Okay, then you write, okay, TH 3 times TH, 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 and TR close. And then close the TR. Okay, then you see how is the output. Okay, I'll run this, refresh. Have you understand this type? Okay, so that I think here you make the problem. So I'll check this. 1, 2, 3, 4 TH are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 TH. TH constant 2K. Then TH. Okay. We'll see it later what is happen, why it is happen. The next row I'll tell you. Okay. Next row what will happen? This is the TH. TH. Then TH constant 2, TH constant 2, TH constant 2, TH. Then 2 times we will write TH, okay. Then you see, we will write TR. Okay, so I have not written here TR, we will write a TR. Okay. Sorry. TR, we will write a TR. Okay, so 3 times TR. So here make a problem. I'll be save it and run it. Okay, let us see. This will be work perfect. Okay, TH. Then next what to write? You see, I will write 1 TH, second TH. Okay. Here also 2 times TH. Okay. Here also 2 times we will write the TH. Then you see, and the KVM is the 3 times TH constant 2. Then TR 2 times. Okay. TH 2 times. Then write TH. Okay. Call span is equal to 2 K TH call span is equal to 2 KU TH call span is equal to 2 KUM. Then close the TH. Write the TH 2 times. Then will be close the TR. Okay, then you see how it will display. Okay. Okay, like this. The next time also it will write. Okay, next you see here in visual 1 TH is there, and it is the second, that is before one th after written last you will write the one th. Okay, then KUMA you will be right. Table, sorry, busy color, is equal to, suppose I write blue. Then here and the body you will write the text is equal to yellow. Okay, then see. Okay, I think you have understood properly. If you have any doubt, then write the comment in the comment section, and also if you are new, then new to my channel, then subscribe. If you already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye, thank you.